Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before fixing the error, let's quickly understand what CORPS is. CORPS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, and it is a browser security rule. It is not a JavaScript error. It happens when JavaScript running in the browser tries to call an API that belongs to a different origin. So for example, in this case, our JavaScript app is running on localhost port 3000, calling on an API which is hosted on the localhost port 5000. Because the origins are different, the browser blocks the request unless the server allows it. So the most important thing to understand here is that CORS cannot be fixed from the browser or the JavaScript alone. It must be fixed from the server side that provides the API. Now let me show you exactly how to fix this in JavaScript, and let's just jump into our JavaScript front-end application. And here you have to export and install corps and a few other utilities. So coming on to the real part, this is where the JavaScript will be allowed by the browser, and so this tells the browser that the coming requests from the front end JavaScript app are on 3000, and these are allowed. And it also allows all the methods like get, post, put, delete. It depends on your requirements if you want to restrict any one of them. And plus the content type authorization is also sent. So this is the code that will make you bypass the CORS error. And so if you try to run this API, and if you get the message CORS fixed in JavaScript backend, then you will be having this issue fixed. And the next part of the code is basically it starts listening on port 5000 so that your front end application can communicate with the backend. So this is it, and I hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and comment if you have any other questions regarding this topic. So I will see you in the next one.